Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Ff63009 is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets in the market right now, and for good reason. It boasts a sleek design, powerful performance, and a user-friendly interface that makes it a joy to use for both beginners and tech enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current setup or dive into a new technological experience, this device promises to deliver on all fronts, offering a seamless integration into your daily life and elevating your productivity and entertainment to new heights. Number 5. Fleetguard Ff63009 Fuel Filter Water Separator. Introducing the Fleetguard Ff63009, a high-performance fuel filter water separator. It's designed to protect your engine's fuel injectors from harmful particles. This filter provides best-in-class protection, ensuring maximum engine life. Its advanced filtration media keeps your engine running smoothly for longer. By reducing contaminants, it helps minimize equipment downtime. This leads to lower total cost of ownership for your fleet. Engineered for a perfect fit, it's ideal for Cummins B and L series diesel engines. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. We adhere to strict quality control standards, so you can buy with confidence. This is a reliable replacement for various part numbers, including Ff63009. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace it every 15,000 miles or 500 hours. Remember to fill the filter with fuel before installation. What we like. This filter offers best-in-class protection for your engine's fuel injectors. It's designed to reduce harmful particles, leading to longer filter life and lower ownership costs. If you're looking to minimize equipment downtime and ensure your engine runs smoothly, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Ff63009 has a great design. The product works well and has good features. I am very happy with the functionality of the Ff63009. Number 4. CFKIT Ff63009 Fleetguard Fuel Filter, Pack of 2. Introducing the CFKIT Ff63009 Fleetguard Fuel Filter, designed for optimal performance. This pack includes 2 high-quality filters to keep your equipment running smoothly. This filter is a direct replacement for the Fleetguard Ff63054NN. It ensures a perfect fit and seamless integration with your existing system. Crafted with durability in mind, it provides reliable filtration to protect your engine. Trust in its robust construction for long-lasting service. It replaces numerous part numbers from leading manufacturers like Atlas Copco, Cummins, and Doosan. This ensures broad compatibility across various heavy-duty applications. Keep your machinery operating at its best with this essential fuel filter. Its superior design helps maintain peak engine performance and efficiency. This convenient pack of 2 ensures you have a spare ready for your next maintenance interval. Save time and ensure continuous operation. What we like. Get double the value with this pack of original Fleetguard filters. It replaces a vast range of part numbers from various manufacturers, ensuring a perfect fit for many applications. If you need a reliable, high-quality filter and want the convenience of having a spare, this 2-pack is ideal. What people say. The product has a very good design and is easy to use. The product works as expected and has a lot of useful features. The product is well made and durable. Number 3. ONER Fuel Filter for Cummins BL Series Diesel Engines. Introducing the ONER Fuel Filter, designed to provide the best protection for your Cummins B and L Series diesel engines. Experience longer fuel system life and optimal performance. This filter is specifically engineered for Cummins B and L Series diesel engines, ensuring an easy installation and a perfect fit. It's built to meet and exceed OEM quality and performance standards. Its unique design delivers maximum engine life with best-in-class protection. By filtering small impurities more efficiently, it minimizes your operating costs and extends the life of your fuel system. This filter replaces part numbers like Ff63009, 530, 3743, Ff63008, and FH22168. Please confirm compatibility with your vehicle before ordering. While not a genuine part, its quality is the same as the original. We establish strict quality control standards to ensure high performance and reliability. Enjoy peace of mind with our 3-month warranty and a worry-free return and refund policy. Buy with confidence knowing you're protected. What we like. This option provides excellent protection and extends the life of your fuel system. It's designed to filter even small impurities efficiently, safeguarding your engine. If you're seeking a high-performance filter with a good warranty and worry-free return policy, consider this. What people say. This is a great product, I love it. The product is amazing and works perfectly. I am very happy with my purchase. Number 2. Fleetguard Ff63009 Original Fuel Filter Kit. Introducing the original Fleetguard Ff63009 fuel filter. This premium spin-on filter is designed to keep your engine running smoothly. It features NanoNet high-performance filtration media. This advanced technology significantly reduces harmful particles in your fuel injectors. This is a $1 layer KIT, including one original Fleetguard fuel filter and a microfiber cleaning cloth for your convenience. It directly replaces part numbers like Cummins Ff63009 and Workin 2287034. Ensure compatibility with your existing system. Protect your engine's vital components with this high-quality fuel filter. Experience enhanced performance and longevity. With a length of 7.09 inches and a robust construction, this filter is built to last and perform under demanding conditions. What we like. This kit comes with an original Fleetguard filter and a microfiber cleaning cloth for a complete solution. Its NanoNet media offers premium filtration to reduce harmful particles. If you appreciate having a cleaning accessory included and need detailed filter specifications for your installation, this bundle is a great pick. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. It features a powerful motor that handles tough blending tasks with ease. The multiple speed settings offer great versatility for different recipes. Number 1. Fleetguard Ff63009 Fuel Filter Element. Introducing the Fleetguard Ff63009 Fuel Filter Element. It's designed to provide superior filtration for your vehicle's fuel system. This essential auto part helps protect your engine by removing harmful contaminants from the fuel. Keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Ensure optimal performance with this high-quality fuel filter. It's built to meet rigorous standards for reliability and effectiveness. Designed for straightforward installation, this element makes maintenance simple. You can quickly replace your old filter and get back on the road. Crafted for durability, this fuel filter element offers long-lasting protection. Trust in its reliable performance to keep your fuel clean. Experience the quality and engineering that Fleetguard is known for. This filter is a testament to their commitment to excellence in automotive parts. What we like. This is a standard auto part designed for straightforward replacement. Its package dimensions make it easy to handle and store. If you simply need a single, reliable fuel filter element without any extra accessories and appreciate compact packaging, this option will serve you well. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. It features a powerful motor that handles tough blending tasks with ease. The multiple speed settings offer great versatility for different recipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.